Start over. Don't show it.
Hi, we're gonna make waffles.
It's still excited.
It's my normal voice.
Okay, go ahead.
Hi, we're gonna make waffles and from scratch.
Oh, this is different. What kind of waffle maker is this?
You could. Lego.
It's a
Lego waffle maker. We're gonna.
And what are these right here?
Like it's kind of like a Lego plate. Like you could put like different like syrups and stuff, and you could put the waffles in here.
So you're supposed to make the waffles, and then you can make a Lego.
If you want.
Isn't that the coolest gift ever?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Today in ingredients we're gonna be using eggs.
Who put out these ingredients?
Me.
So who taught you to make a pancake, waffles?
You.
Okay, and what are you gonna be?
Milk, sugar, rising flour, nutmeg, cinnamon, oil, and
Show me this.
chocolate sprinkles.
Oh la la! And what's that in your hand?
Almond flavored milk. I like to crack the eggs, not on the table like on the plastic. It's more easier.
You're using 2 eggs?
Yeah.
Why?
I always use 2 eggs for waffles, for pancakes. I use it every time.
You gonna wash your hands?
And now that we added our 2 eggs, we're gonna add our almond flavor, artificial almond flavor.
Usually I buy almond extract. I don't think I realized it was not extract and just said.
You don't want to add too much because it's gonna be very minty.
That is not minty actually. It's almond, it's not the mint flavor.
So I can add a lot.
No, don't add a lot because it will be too overwhelmingly almondy.
Now that we're done adding our almondy.
No! That's so funny.
We're gonna get 1 nutmeg.
What's that? Let me see what you have in your hand.
Nutmeg.
Okay, cool.
And
What's that?
zester.
It's a zester?
Yeah.
Microplane. But why don't you use the one for the almond? The one for the nutmeg? Why don't you use the nutmeg zester? You prefer this one to the nutmeg one?
Yeah.
That's enough.
I think it's good. That's enough.
So yeah, freshly grated nutmeg enough. You put it back. It smells amazing already, doesn't it?
Yeah, and now we're gonna add some cinnamon.
Okay, are you gonna use a spoon or something?
No.
How much cinnamon are you adding?
I don't know.
So when do you decide to stop?
No.
Okay. What made you decide to stop? It just looks like it's enough?
Yeah. Now that we're done adding our milk, we're gonna add our oil.
I like that you're using all the dry ingredients together. Sorry, all the wet ingredients together.
Oh, I'm not trying to do that. I'm just
More. That was about a tablespoon of oil. About a tablespoon of oil.
Yeah.
And you think you put about quarter cup of milk.
Now we're gonna add sugar. Don't want.
Okay, that's enough sugar.
Okay. Now that we're done using our sugar, now we're gonna add our flour. Self-rising flour. You want it because everything has to be even. Now, we're just gonna mix. I think we're going to do more milk. I almost forgot the milk when I was packing.
When you're packing what?
Like getting ready.
When you're packing, putting on things.
Yeah, I almost forgot the milk.
No, we told you that we're not gonna do that. You can sprinkle that on top.
Okay. Now that we're all done. Ooh.
Is it all done?
No. It's not all done.
Did you put any salt?
You don't need salt.
Okay.
Why would you need salt? It's fine.
You didn't mix it up properly. Scrape it from the bottom. From the corners too. I think this is too much liquid. Okay.
It's almost like pudding.
Let it rest.
This is now we're done doing all the things. Now we're gonna pour it.
Continue. Okay, stop.
What's up?
Yes. Oh my God. Oh. Let it go.
Oh, baby.
So now the light is on orange. We'll wait until the green light comes on before we turn it on. Before we open it. Don't open it until it.
Oh no.
You pour too much. You still have to wait though. Let's wipe it up before it dries. I'll wipe it.
Okay. I like. Whoa. Cool.
So the green light is now on. So the two lights are on. So this says it's time to open up. But I'm gonna give it a few extra seconds. It's like steaming like crazy. Hey, where you gone?
We're gonna see how it looks.
How does it look?
good.
That's it? I think it looks amazing. Wow. Hold the camera. You record and Mama will do it. No, pull back. That's right. Just keep it in one place.
Look at that, so satisfying.
It's satisfying?
Yeah,
Alright,
it's so smooth.
Can you break? Oh, it breaks apart on its own. Do it. Let me see. Nice.
So smooth. I think it's because of the cinnamon. Like that, it's like
gentle.
I think
looks like you had a good recipe after all. Do you want to use the scissors?
Nah, it's okay.
Just gently. Do you want to stack it? Why don't you stack some? That one you have to cut. We have to cut.
I want to eat this part.
Are you going to stir it out?
Yeah.
Does that pass the taste test? And does this pass the fun test?
Yeah.
Hey, you're sneaking and eating. You want to stack them? Stack and let me see what it looks like if we try to stack some. Like build something. Wow. Wow. This is like the coolest breakfast. And you want to put some chocolate sprinkles on top?
Mash them first.
Just sprinkle them on top.
I know, but we're gonna have to mash them.
And there you have it. Hold it, let me see it. Breakfast waffles. Lego style.